To mix and master records, you need a great space, one that brings out the most in you as an engineer and creative. Hi, I'm Nicholas De Lorenzo, a professional audio engineer of 8 years and the proud owner of Panorama. Today, I'm going to share with you my studio, the heartbeat of everything I do with my music career. For my job as a studio owner and engineer, my time is split up between doing two things: making great sounding records and managing the business end of the studio. Let's start with what we all love, making great sounding records. Great sound starts with the room. This purpose-built room is for balanced and accurate acoustics. The workhorse in the studio are a pair of Neumann Klein & Hummel 310As. These completely sealed monitors offer great transient response and accurate extension down to 34 Hz. Housing my analog gear is a custom-built 2-bay mastering desk. The ergonomics of having all my gear in front of me makes for a very effective and efficient workflow. Housed in my desk is an Antelope Orion 32. This interfaces with a 27-inch VESA-mounted iMac. I opted for something I could mount against my front wall. I wanted a large display that had more screen real estate, but I didn't want the screen too close to the desk as to interfere with the sound coming from my speakers. My smooth talking EQ is the EQ6S by High Voltage Audio. This unit offers a great workflow with switched pots and a high shelf which can go up to 50 kHz, making for a very smooth top-end boost I use on some masters. There's a Manley Varimu with a mid-side mod. This unit is a workhorse. It imparts a lovely tone on masters and can smoothly control the dynamics of a song. The pride and joy of my chain is a Barry Porter EQ I commissioned. I wanted a unit with the resolution of a digital EQ, but the curves and sound of an analog piece. With 24 selectable frequencies on each band and half decibel steps and Q values, that certainly provides me that. Finalizing my chain is the TC Electronic Finalizer. This is a polarizing unit, and for me, it's my sidekick at achieving loud, punchy masters. The input on the analog to digital converters can handle hot signals very well. To sit comfortably, I use the Herman Miller Aeron chair. This was hands down the best investment I made in health and well-being at the studio. It offers excellent support for my lower back and posture. When I'm not in session, there's a 3-seat leather sofa. It makes for a great spot to just chill, smash out some emails, or have for when clients attend. Off to the side, I have built this industrial style storage EQ from IKEA. In it, I store albums my clients have sent to me, books I often reference, and odds and ends I need quick and easy access to. On top of the desk is a native Union wireless charging dock for my phone and a point to charge my laptop. Technology can be a major distraction, so keeping it further than arm's length away helps me remain focused on what really matters. I also have some fun odds and ends I like to keep on display. Like these VR goggles some clients gave me for their video clip, this Butterbing number plate as I'm a big Sopranos fan, my keyring coffee Tampa Brachetto, as well as these leather cowls I picked up on a holiday as a souvenir. Also housed on the desk is a Philips Hue lamp. This gives some nice ambient lighting and helps break up the desk from the room. It also has a more practical use for when I shoot YouTube videos. It helps illuminate and separate the background from myself and saves me having to pull out a light box to achieve the same effect. My MacBook Pro acts as the main admin and business workhorse. Sometimes I don't want to be confined to the studio to perform menial tasks. This allows me to move to a different environment free from the distractions and access to my studio gear. For admin and business tasks, I use tools such as Notion, HubSpot, QuickBooks, and Dropbox to manage my day-to-day operations and customers' experiences. One tool that my studio particularly relies on is Dropbox. All my sessions and deliverables are synced to Dropbox in real time and allow me to access material on the fly, regardless of whether I'm in the studio or not. While my studio will continue to change, I hope this video gave you an insight into how I've set up a space which is perfect for me, and how it helps me with my work. If you're interested in anything featured here, I've left links for you in the description, and if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you.